Hey, I'm Eitan. Welcome. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you some great features Next has to offer you on your daily activities. We'll learn how to control your stock transactions, how to sell items for fractional quantities, how to print the labels for your products, and how to take care of exchanges or customer returns. So starting off, we're going to see how to control your stock transactions. So let's click on the stock menu on your left side and then on stock transactions. Notice that all your stock inputs are on the plus sign right here. You can register your customer returns, your purchases of products from your suppliers, and even take care of stock adjustments as well. Any stock outputs will be done on the minus sign. You can take care of your returns to suppliers, any stock adjustments, and even internal use or consumption of items. Now keep in mind that you can see all the stock transactions right on this screen, and you can see each type using the type column right here. Next, we're going to learn how to add products to sales and have them sold by fractional quantities. So we need to make sure we have products that allow to do so, or once we've created a new one, we need to configure the settings for fractional sales. So in our case, we're going to select the medium roast. This option below needs to be checkmarked by weight or length to sell fractional quantities. So we're going to checkmark this option and then click on Save. Next, we're going to sell the item in a fractional quantity. So let's run a new sale and then select the medium roast. And notice that it's already allowing you to sell for fractional quantities. Then finish off your sale. And there you go. Now we're going to learn how to print the labels for your products. So let's go all the way to your products menu on the left side and then click on label. You can add the items to your printing list by clicking on select right next to each item. Notice you can also change the quantity of labels that will be printed, and you can even remove one from the printing list by clicking on the trash can right next to each item. If for any reason you need to print a label for each product you have inside your Next, click on this arrow and then on Add All Products to the label printing list. Then once you're ready, click on Print. Here you'll double check the printer that will be used for your printing and the template that will be used as well. We can filter from plain paper templates or coil that are for thermal printers. We have a large variety of them available, and once you've checked which one will suit best your necessity, then click on Next. A preview will be listed, and then click on Finish and Print. And all your labels have been printed. Now we're going to finish off by taking care of exchanges or customer returns. So while inside your sales menu, click on Change or Return. Notice you can search for your sales by sales number, by customer, by date, or by the product. In our case, we're going to use the sales number. Then press Next. Select the items that will be returned. Double check the quantity that will be returned and then press OK. Then Next. In this screen, you can select the return method, if the credits will be added to your customer's account or if you'll return the paid amount in cash to your customer. In our case, since we're going to exchange the item, we're going to add it as customer credits so he can use it on the next transaction. Then press Next. Add any important observations or comments for your transaction of returning the items, and then click on Next and Finish. Notice that the return is already listed on screen. Now we're going to exchange the item by using these customer credits. So let's start a new sale. Select the same customer. Notice that the customer credits are already available on screen. And now we're going to sell him the correct item. Then click on Save. Notice that the customer credits are already withdrawn from the customer's account. And if there's any remaining balance from the total to pay, the customer will only need to pay for that difference. Then select the payment method used and click on Save. And that's it. You've taken care of the exchange and the customer return. And that's about it. We've finished for today's tutorials, and I hope you've enjoyed them here so far. If you have any doubts or you need our help, don't hesitate to contact our support.